Hello friends, let's complete our conditional sentences. Third is second conditional sentence. It expresses outcomes that are completely unrealistic and impossible. We can only imagine it. यह उस परिणाम के बारे में बताता है जिसकी हम सिर्फ कल्पना कर सकते हैं, जो संभव नहीं है. रूल सिंपल पास्ट प्लस वुड प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. स्ट्रक्चर इफ प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट कॉमा सब्जेक्ट प्लस वुड प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. In some negative sentences we will add not after would. In some negative sentences we use not after did. According to the sentence. Let's understand through examples. If I had time, I would go to the market. अगर मेरे पास समय होता तो मैं बाजार जाता. If I had money, I would buy a car. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं एक कार खरीदता. If I were you, I wouldn't go there. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं वहाँ नहीं जाता. If I did not have a headache, I would go to the party. अगर मेरे सर में दर्द नहीं होता तो मैं पार्टी में गई होती. In second conditional sentences, we only use were with the subject I. Fourth is third conditional sentences. It is used to imagine a different past. We imagine a change in a past situation and the different result of that change. इसका उपयोग हम बीते हुए बातों को बदलने की कल्पना करने के लिए करते हैं. Rule past perfect plus would have plus past participle. Structure if plus subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object comma subject plus would have plus third form of verb plus object. In some negative sentences we add not after would and then have. Or in some negative sentences we add not after had. Now the important thing is, instead of using would have, we can also use could have and might have according to the sentence. Now let's understand through examples. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. अगर मैंने पढ़ाई की होती तो मैं परीक्षा में पास हो गया होता. If you had seen this dress before, you would have bought it. अगर आपने ये ड्रेस पहले देखा होता तो खरीद लिया होता. If he hadn't lied to us before, I would have believed you. यदि उसने पहले हमसे झूठ नहीं बोला होता तो मैंने आप पे विश्वास किया होता. If you had told me about the meeting, I wouldn't have missed it. अगर आपने मुझे मीटिंग के बारे में पहले बताया होता तो मैंने मिस नहीं किया होता. I hope I have cleared your confusion. If you have any confusion, then comment down below. And do like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Follow for more. And thanks for watching.